the day of the race, and we will take the car and travel to Venice.
I took a plane from New York to Venice, flying on water. I traveled a bridge into Venice, driving on water. I ran the Venice trail run, running on water. 51 bridges, running on water. Dark at night, running on water.
Still very slow, going towards the highway.
Okay, maybe you can see behind me, leaving the mountains, going towards Venice.
Highway, baby.
Da-ding, dum, da-da-da-ding, da-da-da-da-dee-da-da, da-da-da-do, da-da-da-do, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Not gonna lie, it wasn't easy, but finally we are on the bridge to Venice.
Driving on Italian highway, commuting on autostrada, in time for the race in Venice. Don't crash your mama's car.
Dovunque qua,
In fondo che può si riesce.
Ok. Okay, beautiful sunset, ma sì. Per la descrizione completa devo solo prendere il numero qua di qua.
Tony, Francesco.
Sì, sono io. Buongiorno. Posso avere una S per l'uomo? Sì. Grazie.
Sette.
How can I run in the dark without twisting an ankle? I don't want to fall into the canal. How can I run in the dark without twisting an ankle? I don't want to fall into the canal.
Railway station.
Dove cucinare? Va bene.
Questa roba quando si
Vicino alla casa di Taddeo Contadini. La scuola dei restauri.
San Giovanni e Paolo. San Giovanni e Paolo. Forza Giovanni, forza Paolo. Grazie. Oh, se magna? Se magna!
Alevando, che buonissimo.
I've been here before.
Twisting an ankle, I don't want to fall into the canal.
Grazie. Campo Sant'Angelo.
Most beautiful church in Venice, pulcrissima ecclesia, in Venezia es basilica Sante Maria Salute. Santa Maria della Salute is the most beautiful church in Venice. Pulcrissima ecclesia in Venezia es basilica Sante Maria Salute.
Della gara, ecco qui Paolo, Vicenza Marathon 58:40. Here we go then, the second place.
Really good. Yeah, I'm loving it.
I took a plane from New York to Venice, flying on water. I traveled a bridge into Venice, driving on water.